Good Sunday morning, everyone. It's, I guess it's about a little before 7 a.m. I just wanted to do a final update on the Back to the 50s group build and the, whatever the hell it is, 58 Ford Thunderbird. She came out real nice. I'm going to put a coat of Future on it and it'll be done. But I did everything. All the trim work is Molotov pen. Same on the doors, around the roof. So it's got a roof option to put on there. I did all the chrome around the lights with the pen. The emblems. Interior came out really nice. Seat belts in there. The mirrors, windshield wipers are Molotov pen with a black marker to put the blades. Let's swing her around. I like the reflection deal going on here too, in the computer screen. Let's see if we can do it without knocking the damn doors off. Doors are real touchy on this. They don't have the pins that they use to keep the doors on. They don't stay in the holders very well. I'm going to close this door. Excuse me. I'm going to close this door on this side, because that's the one I'm having the most problems with. But as you can see, it came out really nice. Like I said, a coat of Future, and she'll be shelf worthy. Show worthy? Maybe. Too many moving parts though. But she came out really good. Hello, Mamu. So yeah, there you have it. The final on the 58 Ford Thunderbird. Back to the 50s group build. I want to say thanks to Charlie for putting this build on. Pretty cool build. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, today's the final day. Rose City Model Works. Go check out Adam over there. And while I have you guys captivated here, you know what? I'll do shop card of the week a little bit later. I'll just keep this one dedicated to the build. So hope you guys like it. It was a fun build, easy build, not a lot of parts. Everything went together really well. The windshield was a little bit of a pain in the neck, and then I did put the wing windows in on the back side, but I still say they're upside down. Normally a wing window has a small part on the top. Ford, I guess they decided to do things upside down. One thing I did lose, there's a divider that goes between the back seats and the front seats. And I put it down, I couldn't find it. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere here. Next time I clean up the shop, I'll get it and slide it in there. All right, everybody have a great Sunday. We'll talk to you later on.